Good morning. Today is a special day. Leo woke up early. He jumped out of bed. Today, he said, I go to Grandpa's house. He put on his shoes. He ran to the door. Repeat line. Today is a special day. Leo is very happy. Leo walked down the street. He could see Grandpa's house. It was white with a blue door. There were flowers in the garden. Red flowers. Yellow flowers. Leo smiled. He loved Grandpa's house. Repeat line. Grandpa's house is white. It has a blue door. Leo opened the gate. He walked into the yard. Then he stopped. There was something big in the yard. It was covered with a large brown cloth. What is that? Leo said. His eyes were very big. Repeat line. There is something big. It is under a cloth. The blue door opened. Grandpa came out. He had white hair and a big smile. Leo, he said. You are here. He walked to Leo and put his hand on Leo's shoulder. Do you see that? Grandpa said. That is my old boat. Repeat line. Grandpa has white hair. He is very happy. Grandpa walked to the cloth. He took one corner. He pulled it slowly. The cloth fell down. Leo saw a boat. A red boat. A beautiful old red wooden boat. It had some cracks, but it was still beautiful. Wow, Leo whispered. It is so beautiful. Repeat line. The boat is red. It is made of wood. Grandpa looked at the boat. His eyes were soft. I had this boat when I was young, he said. I was 16 years old. My father gave it to me. Leo looked at Grandpa. Your father? My great-grandpa. Yes, Grandpa said. He was a good man. He loved the water. Leo touched the boat carefully. The wood was old but strong. Repeat line. Grandpa was young. His father gave him the boat. Leo walked around the boat. He saw the cracks. He saw the old paint. Grandpa, he said, can we fix it? Grandpa looked at Leo. He was quiet for a moment. Then he smiled. A big smile. Yes, Grandpa said. Yes, we can. Together. Repeat line. Leo wants to fix the boat. Grandpa says yes. Grandpa walked to his small shed. Leo followed him. The shed had many things. Tools. Paint. Wood. Grandpa took sandpaper. He took wood paste. He took red paint. First, Grandpa said, we clean it. Then we fix it. Then we paint it. Leo repeated, clean, fix, paint. I understand. Repeat line. First clean, then fix, then paint. They started to sand the boat. Grandpa showed Leo how. Back and forth, back and forth. Leo tried. It was hard. His arm got tired. Keep going, Grandpa said. Slow and steady. Leo did not stop. He worked and worked. After 1 hour, the old paint was gone. Repeat line. They sand the boat. It is hard work. But Leo does not stop. They stopped to rest. Grandpa brought 2 glasses of cold lemonade. Thank you, Leo said. It was cold and sweet. They sat under a big tree. Grandpa, Leo said, tell me more about the boat. Grandpa smiled. He looked at the sky. When I was young, he said, I went fishing every morning. Just me and the boat and the quiet water. Repeat line. They rest. They drink lemonade. Grandpa tells a story. Leo closed his eyes. He imagined Grandpa as a young man. Young Grandpa was in the red boat. The lake was blue and calm. The sun was shining. Birds were flying. Young Grandpa was happy. He was free. Leo opened his eyes. That sounds wonderful, he said. Repeat line. Young Grandpa loved the lake. He was happy and free. After the break, they went back to work. Grandpa opened the wood paste. Now, he said, we fill the cracks. He put the paste in the big cracks. Leo put paste in the small cracks. They worked slowly and carefully. Good job, Leo, Grandpa said. You are a good helper. Repeat line. They fill the cracks. Leo is a good helper. The paste needed time to dry. Now we wait, Grandpa said. How long? Leo asked. 1 hour, Grandpa said. Leo sat down. 1 hour was a long time. I know, Grandpa said, laughing. Let us play cards while we wait. Leo smiled. He loved playing cards with Grandpa. Repeat line. They wait 1 hour. They play cards together. The next day, Leo came back early. The paste was dry. The wood was smooth. Today, Grandpa said, we paint. They opened the red paint. It was bright and beautiful. Grandpa painted the top. Leo painted the sides. They used big brushes. The boat became red again. Bright red. Beautiful red. Repeat line. They paint the boat red. It is bright and beautiful. Leo was painting very fast. Too fast. He moved the brush and got red paint on his nose. Grandpa looked at Leo. He laughed very loud. Leo, your nose is red now, he said. Leo touched his nose. Then he laughed too. They both laughed and laughed. Repeat line. Leo has red paint on his nose. It is very funny. After 2 hours, the painting was done. They put their brushes down. They stepped back. The boat was beautiful, bright red, smooth and clean. The sun was shining on it. It was glowing. Leo and Grandpa did not speak for a moment. They just looked. We did it, Leo said quietly. Yes, Grandpa said. We did it together. Repeat line. The boat is ready. It is beautiful. They did it together. Grandpa had an idea. Let us take it to the lake, he said. Today. Now. Leo said. His eyes were big. Right now, Grandpa said. They lifted the boat. It was heavy. 1, 2, 3, lift, Grandpa said. They walked slowly down the road to the lake. Repeat line. They carry the boat to the lake. It is heavy. They arrived at the lake. The water was blue and calm. The sky was orange and pink. Ready? Grandpa said. Ready, Leo said. 1, 2, 3. They pushed the boat into the water. Splash. The boat went in. It rocked a little. And then it floated. It floats, Leo shouted. Grandpa. It floats. Repeat line. The boat is in the water. It floats. Leo is very happy. They climbed into the boat. Grandpa took the oars. He showed Leo how to row. Left, right, slow and steady. The boat moved across the water. It was smooth and quiet. Leo looked at the sky. He looked at the water. He looked at Grandpa. This is the best day, Leo said. Grandpa did not say anything. He just smiled. Repeat line. They row the boat. Left, right. It is beautiful. The sun went down slowly. The sky was orange and purple and pink. The lake was very quiet. Leo looked at Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa, he said. Thank you for everything. Grandpa opened his arms. Leo came close. Grandpa gave Leo a big, warm hug. Thank you, Leo, Grandpa said quietly. You helped me remember something beautiful. Leo smiled. He was tired. He was happy. He felt warm. And the little red boat rocked gently on the quiet water. Repeat line. Leo thanks Grandpa. Grandpa hugs Leo. It is a beautiful moment.